Hello everyone, this is Anu here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the functional versus non-functional requirements. This is the starting point of any system design. In my previous video, I talked about the system design principles and what are the things we are going to cover in this series. And this is going to be the first part of that series. Let's get started and see what are the functional and non-functional requirements for any system design. Okay. So, what are functional requirement? Functional requirement means for any system, what the system does. That's called the functional requirement. Okay, define what the system should do. It may be the features, business logic, user actions, system behavior. Examples: user registration, login, and like and comment, upload video, download, delete content, notification, search content, etc. Whereas what is non-functional requirement? Non-functional requirement means how does the system performs? Okay, how well the system should perform. Okay, these are the following details regarding this functional non-functional requirement. The non-functional requirement constitute of performance, scalability, reliability, security, and availability. In the upcoming series of videos, we will go deep into each and every sessions, and we will discuss all those things in detail on those videos. Okay, examples of non-functional requirements. That means the users need sub 200 millisecond latency for any API calls. That is one of the non-functional requirements. 99.99% availability. That means less than 1 hour of downtime per year. Usually for many systems, we can see 5 nines. That is 99.999 SLAs. That means less than 6 minutes of downtime is expected. And 1 million plus concurrent users. That means support millions of simultaneous users at the same time. And the end-to-end encryption, that is we are using AES 256 256 encryption in many of the cases. Those are called the end-to-end encryption. Data at rest will be encrypted, and data at motion, that is data at moving data transit, that also get encrypted. 99.9% tolerance. What does it mean? Means suppose if some of the server goes down in the production system, it shouldn't affect the running process. Okay, that means graceful recovery from the node failure. Functional versus non-functional. Functional means what the system does, whereas the non-functional means how well it performs. And in the functional requirement, we are gathering all the features and capabilities of the system and business logic, user actions, and system behavior. Whereas when it comes to the non-functional requirement, it will define how well it performs. That means quality, attributes, performance and scale, security and reliability, and the availability. If you take an example from YouTube, the functional requirements are uploading the video, watching the video, subscribe channels, search videos, and receive notification. Whereas it comes to the non-functional requirement of YouTube, it is the users need less than 2 seconds video to start, and 99.99% uptime. Millions of concurrent viewers should be there, and the data should be encrypted. That is end-to-end encryption. These are the non-functional requirement for YouTube. System design interview approach. If you are approaching any interview, these are the things we need to consider regarding the system design. Gather functional requirement, that is list all the features, user actions, and system behavior. Next thing is non-functional requirement. Define scale, latency, uptime, and security needs, and estimate the scale. We need to analyze how well we are going to scale, either it is for 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, or 10 year. That is calculate the QPS, that is query per second. Calculate the storage, how much storage we need uh, to serve for next 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, and 10 year. They depend upon how many years we are going to forecast, and bandwidth requirement, and the user load. And the design architects choose the components, services, and data flow patterns. Key takeaways: what is all about functional versus non-functional requirement for any system design? I hope you got what is the difference between functional and non-functional requirement. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video with deep dive into the non-functional requirements. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.